All right, guys. So I have been waiting for this book. I got it today, and we're gonna go ahead and just open it up right now. This is our EntreMD book by Dr. Una, and I heard about her just recently in a conference that I was in, and I just got mine and thought I'd go ahead and open it up, and so you guys can see, and you'll see that the EntreMD method, a proven roadmap for doctors who want to live life and practice medicine on their terms. So I am looking forward to reading it, and we will let you guys know. I mean, everybody's been talking about how wonderful it is, and so I'm excited to have it in hand. Dr. Una, thank you for putting this together for us and for all that you are doing right now. So stay tuned for some more stuff, right? And we'll let you know. All right, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.